Alright, now the privacy display on the Galaxy S26 Ultra is a pretty cool feature. But does it really make sense to use it? Is it really practical? Let's find out in today's video. I've got the Galaxy S26 Ultra here, and currently I have not turned on the privacy display, and this is how the screen looks. Now what I'll do is, I will turn on the privacy display and I will hold this phone one arm length away from here. That is exactly how far a person will be sitting next to you, maybe when you're traveling in the flight or in the subway, or if you're sitting on a chair. If somebody is sitting next to you, one arm length is how far they would be sitting and looking at your phone. Now the camera here is exactly at my eye level. I am sitting on the chair right now and the camera is set exactly to my eye level. And what I'll do is I will turn on the privacy display here. And now you can see that brightness just went a bit low. Now it's turned on. Now let me just take this phone away from here in the same direction, and I will also tilt the camera here. There it is. This is how far a person will be sitting next to me and holding the phone. Let me just bring this up here. You can see that the privacy display is working, but it is not that effective. Let me keep the phone on the table here. And that is how it looks. I'm still able to see what is there on the screen. Let me just open the gallery here and maybe open an image here. I'm able to see that image, but it is not very clear, but I can still see what is there on the screen. Now let me tilt the phone towards my side. I am able to see that image very clearly when I tilt it, but when it's around 35, 40 degree or 45 degree angle, it is still visible, but it is slightly blacked out. Now, is this the right execution of this feature? I'm not very sure about that because I can still see the contents on the screen. Now let's turn on the maximum privacy here. Look at that. I'm actually not able to see anything on the screen. And if you were me, this is how exactly it's going to look. If somebody is holding the phone one arm length away from you, using it, this is how it's going to look. So there is nothing visible on the phone about 2 feet away from you. Let me tilt this. But this is on the maximum privacy display. This actually works well, but the only problem is if you have maximum privacy turned on, this is how bad the screen would look. You can see it is completely washed out and the contents don't look that great, and that will give you a very bad viewing experience. So maximum display is great. It's very effective only to hide the contents for the other person. But if you're using the phone and turn on the maximum privacy, it is not really usable. You don't feel like looking at the screen. Again, it's a great technology, but Samsung could have done it slightly better. They could have executed it slightly differently so that when the maximum privacy protection is turned off, the screen shouldn't have been visible at this 45 degree or a 30 degree angle here. But it's still visible. As you can see, it is not completely blurred out. I can actually see the contents here. So that is how this feature works. Now I have enabled the privacy display for notifications and passwords. Let's see how it looks. Again, I have kept the phone about one arm length away as if somebody else is holding this phone sitting next to me. Let me just turn on the screen here. And now what I'll do is I will swipe up. You will see the privacy display will get activated. There it is. I'm still able to see what is being keyed in on the screen. You can see those numbers are still slightly visible. So that is still a bummer. It is not 100% perfect yet. Now let me put this a little away from here. Still it's visible, as you can see. Still those numbers are visible. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that it is not perfect yet. Samsung could have done it slightly better, or maybe they have some limitations to do better when it comes to this feature. This is the maximum privacy that they can provide at a particular angle. Now this is just a casual test I wanted to do and show you guys, demonstrate it to you guys, how the privacy display would look when somebody else is holding the phone on your adjacent side, whether the contents on the display is visible or not. Now you guys let me know, what do you think about this? Do you think Samsung really nailed it, or do you think it needs work? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys who watch my contents have not subscribed yet. It doesn't mean much to you, but it means a lot to me. Go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.